Hello everybody, this is Research and Development Day. We're working out some issues with the heater hoses. So we got that taken care of. Because what we got is this hose goes on there. Reduces down to half inch takes it over, up, and into that over there. Okay. Really? Phew. Been in the junkyard twisting and turning. My shoulder is just about spent for the day. There we go. Oh man, don't tell me I lost my knife. Now I wiggled off what I wiggled on. There. Okay. Okay, David. Okay, David. Get my larger hose clamp kit out. Easy to come in there this way. Stick it right on there. Rotate that. Bada bing. So while we're at it, let me move this so I don't knock it on the floor. Been known to do that on several occasions. You pull it. I need that receipt for the wife. Mommy's in charge now, so I don't have time to play. Grab one of these and just check the socket size real quick. Should be this one. Nope. Should be this one. Yep. This day is just a day to figure out what's going on. Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow's pain day. Because I got to get underneath this. I got to lay in the car on my back so I can work on the throttle pedal. Climb in and out several times, I'll be done. What the heck? I got to go from 5/8. Come on, people. Down to 1/2 inch to make the run, because the MG, everything is on 1/2 inch. Okay. There we go. So this is 5/8 to 5/8. So what happens now is we'll get a curve from here. Okay. I'll heat this up to make it pliable so I can run it down on there. It'll come up and I'll have to adjust this angle for it to come in here. Clamp and a clamp, and it's done. It'll loop away from the headers. The reduction piece is right here. Goes in here. The 1/2 inch takes over from there. Puts the heat in the heater box. And I think a piece of this is this size. Anyway, this got a U coming. It'll get another one of these, and then it will run over and up, and this one will run up and over. I'm trying to get all this stuff figured out. It's not like you just go buy something, put it on. There's a kit, oh, this is here, this is here. No, I'm not paying someone to think for me. So I got my cable. It's going to be a pistol, but it's going to work out nice. I got the. That's what I got to do later. When I get off the air, I got to go to the back room, dig stuff out, get it in my bucket of stuff where the ECM and all that is, and some stuff off the engine, and locate the PCV valve hose so I can figure out how I'm going to route that one. And that'll be done. Right now I'm just in the research and development stages. This one here goes, this clamp here goes this way. Come on, come on, come on, baby. Come on, I said, there we go. Okay. Got a piece coming. It's going to delay this. I'm taking the U, the test U, it puts on these two fittings. You can clamp them down without any heater. Popping it up, putting one of these in it, changing the hose over right there, and running it to where it's supposed to go. I'm debating it's all good. It's all good, people. Close up my case here. Good harness wiring coming through. See, this one loops over. I think it should go right through here. I don't think it's going to though. Don't think it's going to do it though. Nope. That's likely gonna be. Most likely it's gonna come up, lay in this trough. I'll put a strap on it, run it to that fitting there. Interesting. Interesting. There's no easy way to run these lines. This is the part you don't see normally when guys are building cars. This is the stuff behind the scenes. I'll show it all. Might be boring, but it's the issue that has to be dealt with. Or, come here. That would look nice. It's going to be a pain to put it in there. Bring it in, okay, like so. Cradle it. I'll have to rotate this fuel line fitting to this side. No big deal. This will lay right in there. come up, loop over, down, and come right into here. Not bad at all. I got to re-drill and put another bracket on here to stiffen it. I got to make sure I get the angle right before I mark it to drill it. Okie dokie, people. I can't put the hose on it until then, but I'm thinking I got enough hose. It's hard to find a good quality hose anymore. I had one I heated up and wanted to push it on something because it was cold out here. It just ripped the threads and everything. I said, how come it's got the threads and stuff in it if they're not woven enough to give you any support? That's what we'll do. We'll come up. Come up. I'll strap it to here. Lay it in the cradle. And then just roll it right up over and down and into here. Just a big loop. Nothing to it. Okay, that one goes to there. That's the curve. I'm gonna have to go pick up another half to half connection like this. It'll roll right off of this fitting here. It'll spike in right there, run right behind here and up. That's where the two lines have to cross somewhere in here. That's the trouble, is trying to make them look like it's not a tacked up mess. Loop it over. Take that line. Just bring it right up through here. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to cross over. Just another fun-filled project here, people. Something as simple as a heater hose can cause a problem. I'm going to have to get this mark to drill it. Right there. Get it drilled and get that bolt back in there. Once that's done, this hose can go on. It's a loop, clamp, and then it's decision what to do here. Gonna be interesting. I'm going to have to make the loop, drill this, mount this, come off of here, gradual enough to hit this fitting, like so. Let's just stick this hose on there, it's bigger. This is closed, so now this let's just do this temporarily, just get an idea. There it is. The hose won't be quite this diameter, it'll be the smaller hose. And I can literally zip tie it down and then it'll come right down. Right now it's sticking to there. It only took a day and a half to figure that out. People, like, subscribe. We're going to bring you back in a second to show you the results of the junkyard visit today. This is just the design on what we're doing for the heater hoses. I'm trying to show you what we got to do, because you got to remember, you got to think ahead of the ball game. Because see, I still can't interfere with this, or the cable over there, or the windshield washer bucket and setup it goes over there. That's something I should have done at the junkyard. I should have looked for a windshield washer motor. This will work nice. This whole thing will come in nicely. And then when I get this I'll clamp it on here, lay it right here, okay, bring it straight up, and kind of lay it over here. It won't be in the way. I come underneath here if I need to, pop up above here and go to the lower fitting. Everything's tucked down in. I don't want any hood interference. I have to start changing stuff. That's what we're doing. People, like, subscribe, hang in there. We'll go to the next segment here.